So how do you find the facilities here in regards to bedding, water, food? What has that been like?
All right, for me, it's difficult. As I said, it was difficult. It is difficult at the moment, but to find, I'm here to get medical for my son because he's not feeling so well, which the doctor hasn't come as yet. But otherwise, I think it's okay because other person have received medical attention, which is good. So, and water is provided at the school, so I don't find any like it is so difficult because people are really reaching out and helping people along the way. So it is good.
So how long have you been staying here?
Um, I'm not staying here, but I live close by because, as I said, my roof went. I have to stay in my bathroom for a couple of days with my three children and my husband. But I came here just to get some assistance, meaning in some medical assistance at the moment right now.
All right, so talk to us about why you made the decision to kind of stay at home versus living here at the shelter. Like,
Because a lot of people are staying here, and I feel to myself that the environment is not suitable for a lot of people to be here.